Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring assets like BUSD between wallets is a must-know skill. Today, we're tackling how to transfer BUSD from Arculus wallet to Coinbase wallet. This process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to ensure it's secure and hassle-free. Why do this? BUSD is a stablecoin that's great for holding value, and moving it to Coinbase gives you more flexibility for trading or staking. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and verified. Open your Arculus wallet app, it's user-friendly and focuses on security. Log in with your credentials, and navigate to the BUSD asset in your portfolio. You'll need to generate or copy the recipient address from your Coinbase wallet. So, switch over to the Coinbase app or website. Log in, go to your wallet section, and select BUSD. Tap on Receive to get your unique wallet address. Double-check this because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back in Arculus, select the Send or Transfer option for BUSD. Enter the amount you want to transfer, paste the Coinbase wallet address, and review the transaction details. In 2025, look out for any updated fees or network confirmations. Blockchain tech evolves quickly, so ensure you're on the latest app version. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Now, the waiting game. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Coinbase and keep an eye on your transaction history to confirm the BUSD has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Check for any error messages or use blockchain explorers like Etherscan if it's on Ethereum. A few quick tips. Always transfer a small test amount first, especially with crypto's volatility. Be mindful of gas fees, which might have changed by 2025, and never share your private keys. That's it. You've just mastered a key crypto skill. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there and see you next time.